on November 27th. Kyle the Hand and return on a brand new adventure. It doesn't mean like that. Starting from the creators of Sonic the Hedgehog, Webkins, and Walter and Zilla. Doesn't mean none of all of that. And from the directors, just from Bitty Babies 3, and FNAF the series, Season 1. It doesn't mean all that. Starring the voice actors, Brian Cummings, Ben Schwartz, Frank Welker, Eddie Murphy, Jim Carrey, Gary Schwartz, Haley Duff, Cameron Diaz, Mary J. Peavis, Ted V. Miller, her Chris Pratt, and Kellen Goff. Kyle the Hand and 3, The Journey from the Big Waterfall, releasing November 8th, 2022, 2019. Rated G.